In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your picture on Zoom for when your camera's off. If you've ever joined a meeting with your camera off and wished a friendly photo of you showed up instead of a blank screen, this is exactly what we're setting up. We'll do it by updating your Zoom profile picture, because that image is what appears whenever your camera is turned off. Start on your Zoom dashboard. Look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is the small circular image or initials that represent your account. From the menu that appears, select Profile, and then click on My Profile. When you choose My Profile, Zoom will open your profile settings in your web browser so you can make changes there. Once your profile page loads in the browser, you'll see your current profile icon. Click on that icon to edit it. This is where you update the picture people see next to your name in meetings. After the edit view opens, click Change. Zoom will give you two simple options: upload a picture from your device or take a new picture right now. If you choose to upload, pick a clear, well-lit image of yourself from your computer. Portrait-style photos work best, ideally with your face centered. Zoom may give you a cropping tool, which lets you position the image so your face is framed nicely. If you choose to take a picture, your browser may ask for permission to use your camera. Once allowed, line up your shot, make sure you're in good light, and capture the photo. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. That's the key step that locks in your new profile picture, and that's it. Your profile photo is set. From now on, whenever your camera is off in a meeting, people will see this image next to your name instead of a blank silhouette. A few quick tips as you choose your photo. A simple background and good lighting help you look professional and clear. Square or nearly square images fit best, and common formats like JPG or PNG work well. If your organization has guidelines for photos, try to follow them. After saving, the change usually appears right away in new meetings. If you don't see it instantly, give it a moment and it should update across Zoom. You've just made your Zoom presence more personal and polished without turning on your camera. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with your new profile picture in place.